Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two incredible cameras, the Sony Alpha a6400 mirrorless camera and the Panasonic LUMIX S5. If you're a photography or videography enthusiast, this is the video for you. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's get started. When it comes to speed and autofocus, the Sony Alpha a6400 takes the lead. With a remarkable 0.02 second AF speed and real-time AF tracking, it ensures your subject is always in focus. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 offers improved autofocus with head, eyes, face, and body detection. Both cameras excel in this category, but the Sony Alpha a6400's lightning-fast autofocus gives it a slight edge. In terms of image quality and resolution, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Sony Alpha a6400 boasts an impressive 24.2 MP sensor, allowing you to capture crisp, clear, and natural-colored photos. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 offers 96 MP high-resolution mode, perfect for those who require extremely detailed photographs. With these capabilities, both cameras cater to the needs of enthusiasts and experts alike. When it comes to video performance, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 takes the spotlight. It supports extraordinary 4K 60p 10-bit video and features a slow-motion option for stunning FHD 180 FPS footage. Additionally, its versus log versus gamut ensures a dynamic range of 14+ stops, perfect for cinematic video production. The Sony Alpha a6400 also offers multiple movie functions, making it great for time-lapses and slow quick-motion videos. However, the Panasonic LUMIX S5's remarkable video capabilities make it the winner in this category. Let's talk about the price. The Sony Alpha a6400 comes at a competitive price of $898, making it a great choice for those on a budget. On the other hand, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 has a higher price tag of $2,899 due to its advanced features and superior performance. It's important to consider your budget and requirements when making a decision. And there you have it. We've compared the Sony Alpha a6400 mirrorless camera and the Panasonic LUMIX S5 in various categories. Both cameras offer exceptional performance and cater to different needs. Whether you prioritize speed and autofocus, image quality, or video performance, you can't go wrong with either option. Remember to share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy shooting!